Welcome to today's episode of Brain Kills Driveway. Everyone always says something garage, but we're in the driveway. So working on a 2004 Ford Ranger to get to these passenger side spark plugs back here. Here's your spark plug boot. Take off, jack the car up, support it properly, chock your wheels, do all the safe stuff. Then take out this front passenger side wheel well cover, and you got a lot better access, even though this looks kind of tight, you know. Number 2 and number 3 back here. It's way better than the access from the top. I don't even know if I can get an eye on this. There you go. So yeah, it's 10 times better than doing it from the top. And you know, working on your vehicle or customer's vehicle, always keep an eye out for other things that they may need. Preventative maintenance is way better than repairing something that broke. So we see these control arm bushings are shot here and here, and I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but the ball joint is too. Sorry, shaking the camera around like a fool, but otherwise, your sway bar links look good, and there wasn't any play in the tie rod there. Yeah, so, but a little work for us to possibly get later on, and they can get better prices from ordering something from the optimal spot instead of going to your usual Chinesium dealership around town. So fantastic. Hope this helps somebody. Much love.